What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's hope we find some good stuff. Let's go. All right, let's check out the electronics section. We got a little lamp dimmer here. My thing that I always like to do is just scan anything that's new, because you never know. This looks new. It's $5. I don't know if that's expensive or not. Let's scan the barcode and take a look. What I'm gonna do is pull out my phone and open up the Amazon seller app, and we're gonna scan in that barcode and see if anything pops up. And it is restricted, so it's not something I can actually sell. Also, you'd only make $8 after fees. With that $5 purchase, it's close, but not really worth it. We're gonna leave that behind. Let's see what else we got here. Little VHS tape rewinder. If you could find good brands of these, I highly recommend looking them up. They usually need a plug, and this one's missing the plug. They want $8 for it. Doesn't even have the plug, so that's kind of funny. But sometimes these, if they're a good brand, they could go for good money. What else do we have here? Anything good? These 5 disc changers can be really good as well. I've sold these in the past. This one's $20, which is kind of expensive, and this button is broken right here. It's not clicking, and you can't really tell on camera, but it's dented in. It doesn't have the remote, doesn't have any cables. $20, I mean, that's a no-brainer to not pick up, but sometimes these can be really good. I'm not seeing much of anything else back here. There's still a lot of the store to check out. Let's go take a look at this little area back in here. See what they got for hard goods. Got a little gator toss, $12. That's not gonna be great. Alright, I'm gonna keep looking around, and I'll pull back up the camera if I find anything. So one place I always like to check out is the media, because you never know what you'll find. Actually, we have a brand new sealed record right here. Hook, line, and sinker. It's got a big hole drilled in it. There's actually a couple of these here. But, oh, maybe they're actually laser discs. They are laser discs. So they're movies. There's a few of them. Twilight Zone, the movie, brand new sealed, $12. But it does have that hole drilled in it, so that hurts the value for sure. So these are just a bunch of laser discs. $12 each, though. That seems pretty expensive. $12 for that. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them, and they're all new. But they all have that hole drilled straight through them. And $12 is just, obviously, too much. So we'll leave those. You never know what you'll find with the movies. Like, here's some cool things right here. $2 a piece. We got a whole bunch of Spider-Man right here. That's actually pretty cool. Volume 6, Volume 3, Volume 8. We'll look into those for sure. I'm not seeing any more. There is Hulk Versus right here. It's kind of cool. I think that's it when it comes to those. And then I gotta scan these, see what we could find. Like Mike. Alright, I'm gonna scan through these. So the Spider-Mans are honestly pretty cool, but the issue is they're not worth that much. You could see right here, they were almost all scanning in. $7.99 brand new, or like $1 something used. So not gonna be great there. So what I'm looking for is just like obscure things. Things that I've never seen before, like this. Pippi Calzone. I have no idea what this is. Looks like it's Spanish maybe? Or French or Italian. I don't know what that is. Let's scan this in, see if anything comes up. What do we got here? Yeah, it is Italian, so it's not really gonna probably be worth much. We'll leave that behind. Also, it feels empty. It is empty. Alright, I'm noticing, I think an Italian person donated a bunch of stuff because we have Frozen, but the Italian version. Now, sometimes these specialty movies can be worth a decent amount of money, so we'll look it up on Amazon, and if nothing, we'll check eBay, see if this Italian version is worth something. Let's try and scan this in. So here it is on Amazon, the Italian import. The rank is a little high, but it is selling for $17. That's not bad. I think I'm gonna snag it because, yeah, disc is in okay condition. We'll take that. Why not? An Italian version of Frozen. That's unique. Alright, so I pulled out a couple more Italian movies that I found here. Oh, here's another one right here. I think these are the only Italian ones, but we might find more. We got a couple Winnie the Poohs and a Peter Pan. They're all $2 each. The Peter Pan is selling on Amazon for $19. So 11 after fees, almost 12 after fees. So this is about a $10 profit for an Italian Peter Pan movie. Kind of wild. We'll check out these Winnie the Poohs real fast as well. See if I can find any more. Alright, so we just found this on one of the back shelves here. This 8-port gigabit desktop switch. It's $8. I did scan it in. Take a look. Has a great rank on Amazon. It's going to sell super fast. $20, you only make 13, so after what I paid for it, it's about a $5 profit. Spend 8, I'll make 5. I'll take it because it's gonna sell so fast. Normally, I don't really like to do that, but hey, it's the easiest $5 ever, so I'll definitely take it, along with my, oh, I grabbed one DVD for myself, Ghosts of Mars. It just looked ridiculous, so I want to watch it. And then these Italian children's movies. Surprisingly, I feel like they're gonna take a while to sell, but they're surprisingly pretty worth it. So after walking around the store a bit and not really finding much, I totally forgot to check out the CDs, which is something I always like to check. And we did find one right off the bat. It's brand new sealed, Andrea Bocelli, $1. Take a look at this. Super great rank in Amazon. It's gonna sell really fast. $11. We'll make 5, 12, so $4 profit. Easiest $4 ever. Let's see, there's a couple more sealed things in here that we will take a look at. We have this one right here, Katie Jones. I believe I saw one more right down in here. And we have another right here. Oh, has a drill hole in it. We'll see if it's worth it used, but you never know. Oh, we have one more sealed, I think. I doubt this is gonna be worth anything, but you never know. I think that about does it for the sealed things. Now, I do sell used ones all the time, but I just feel like looking up the new ones right now. They're easier, and we could just set them right in. So let's flip these over, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Pull up the Amazon seller app, like always. Scan in the barcode, and that one has no rank. It's not going to be worth it. We'll put it back. This one doesn't even have a barcode. I don't think this is going to be worth much, so we'll put that back. We have this one right here. Scan up that barcode, and it has a great rank, selling for $9.79. It'll sell really fast. Is this one? This is the one that has that drill hole in it though, so I can't sell it as new, so it's not going to be worth it. And then this was the last one, no barcode. I don't believe this was worth much. So that's how quick it is to go through a stack of CDs. We did find one though, so that's $4. We'll take it. So there are a whole bunch of video games here, which is really cool to see. A lot of brand new sealed things. Looks like they got them from Target. Target pallets. Goodwill buys Target pallets and they resell the items. So you can see this Dishonored right here, $10 a pop there. It's a little too much. Anthem is $6, which is too much. Got some FIFA 20 for $15, that's pushing it. Lots of older sports titles, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare for $20, that's too much. So nothing good here. Even a bunch of sealed things over here, just prices are a little too high. I don't see anything good. I think we're gonna head to another Goodwill, see what we can find there. So we just left the Goodwill and that's all we got. We just got the DVDs, the CD, and that TP link. But cool thing is, yellow was half off. So I thought I was gonna be spending $6 on these. I only spent $3, $1 a piece, so not much of a risk. Hopefully these sell. I'll let you guys know in a future video if these do end up selling. So not bad, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then potential here for maybe $30 profit. So almost $40 profit in there. Not a great stop. Let's go to the next Goodwill. All right, guys, we have made it to the next Goodwill. We're gonna head inside and hopefully this one's better. I mean, the other one wasn't horrible. I was only in there for 10 minutes, but this one better be better. Hopefully we find more stuff here. You know, I'll grab a cart. Grabbing a cart is the signal that you want to fill it up. Maybe that'll work. So I walk in and see a whole bunch of Blu-rays, which is kind of a cool sign, but I pull them out and they're all $5 each. That's pretty expensive. Maybe we'll find some cool hidden gems, but it doesn't look like it. These used to be $3 each. This one might be something. Oh, actually, a little 2-movie collection. That might be something. So I'm gonna scan through these and hope that we find something in here. Same thing with the games. I think, yeah, all the games are $5 each also. Mostly just sports titles, nothing great. Well, let's see if we find anything. All right, so I just snagged a whole bunch of DVDs. The Chappelle Show is for myself, but then I got a whole bunch of sealed TV seasons. $2 for Burn Notice, $2 for Cosby Show. This one's going for like 30. That one's going for about 18. Classic movie right here, Bing Crosby collection, Berenstain Bears or Berenstain Bears, and Cool Hand Luke, Paul Newman. All $2 each, all going for good money. There's more DVDs over here that we're gonna check out. There's some video games in that glass case and some CDs right here, but I'm gonna check these DVDs first. I always like to look for BBC video. Sometimes they do very well. Let's take a look together, see if this is anything here. All right, let's see if I was right or wrong. It's $2, but yellow's half off, so it's only $1. And if it were brand new, it'd be worth $20. Used, it's only $4.50. You'd lose money, so not a good one right here. That's okay. What do we have here? This is something I've never seen before, made by Sofia Coppola. Could be good. I like to just scan things I've never heard of before, because that's usually the stuff that does okay. This one, not so much. That's just kind of how I do it. And, you know, like, I've seen The Very Muppets Christmas a bunch of times at thrift stores. I know it's not worth much. Anything sealed, I'll look up anyways, because sealed prices can be wildly overpriced compared to used. So Hocus Pocus, $2, brand new sealed. We'll scan it in. And here it is. Used, only selling for $5, but brand new, it's going for $10. You'll make $3.88, so I'd almost double my money. It's a pretty quick sale, but only for a little over $1. I'm gonna leave it. This SpongeBob right here, this one's half off, so it's only $1. Might be good, might be worth it. Let's see what comes up. And there is no new offer, so I get to kind of make my own price. So, I don't know, 15 bucks or so. Not bad, we'll snag that. Stick that in the cart. So I came to take a look at the video games here, and I see Star Wars Battlefront 2. That game's gone down a lot in value. That's about it. Maybe MX or Skate It. I don't think so. But I did find a TI-89 titanium calculator here. They do sell for about $45 to $50. You'll make $37. If it's $10 to $15, I'll snag it. I don't see a price. Oh, there's the price. It is $18. 18. Is 18 gonna be worth it? Let's take a closer look. So it looks like FBA is coming in at 55, so we'll throw that price up here, 55. And see, shipping to Amazon is about 50 cents. Cost of purchase, $18. And it looks like $28. That's gonna be worth it. So we will snag this if it appears to be in decent condition. I'm gonna call somebody over right now. So the calculator was busted, it was missing the battery door, and it was all corroded on the inside, so I'm leaving it behind. But I did just find a board game here, Watergate, for $5. There's no used sellers online from what I can see, but it sells for about $30, so at $5, I think that's a worthwhile pickup. We'll grab that. I'm gonna count the pieces before we leave, make sure it's good. I'm just looking at some of the board games up here. We have a Pocahontas thing. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's like a CNC, CNC storybook. Whoops. Okay, so I did just drop that, but it should be okay. Let's make sure it still works. How does, oh, there we go. Yeah, it still works. What do they want for this? There is no price on it, so probably just leave it behind, but that's pretty cool. We did end up finding a puzzle, $5. Sells for about $25, so I'll make 15 after fees minus my 5, so about 10 bucks. Pretty easy $10 there, not bad. We're gonna check out the electronics section. It's usually pretty bare, and yeah, it's looking pretty bare today also. I don't think we're gonna find anything down in this section. An old alarm clock. It's kind of cool, little Cardinals clock. Don't think it's worth much though. And what's this? Dr. Brown's. I don't like testing kitchen appliances, so I'm just gonna leave it. This is interesting. Digiloom, $12. I wonder what this is. I wonder if it's any good. We'll try scanning this in, and then we'll open it up. And oh, actually, it still has a sticker seal on one side, but I assume it's open. Let's scan it in. Alright, I found it on Amazon, and it has pretty bad reviews. There's no more rank on it. It is selling for $39. It doesn't really seem like it's going to be worth it. Plus, it's open, so we're going to leave that behind, mostly because bad reviews usually mean returns, product doesn't work. I try to pay attention to that kind of stuff, as well as the rank. So we're going to keep looking here, see if we find anything else. Maybe Starbucks mugs? I don't think so. Not seeing any. We'll keep looking. Ooh, they're putting out new stuff right now. Maybe I could take a quick sneak peek. So I never look at the plush or the stuffed animals ever, and I see a bunch of the same ones here, so I was kind of interested, and found some FAO Schwarz pets, but $10? I get that they're new, but that just seems kind of expensive. Every single one of them is $10 per stuffed animal. That is just, I don't know, that seems expensive unless they're really valuable. I don't think they are. I tried looking them up on Amazon, didn't see anything, maybe on eBay, but I don't know. I'm leaving them behind. Maybe I just left behind a gold mine, but I really doubt it. They're really soft though. I do like them. Here we go, guys. We got a miscellaneous baggie of Hot Wheels. Maybe there's some red lines in here. $5? I don't think so. Actually, they're not even all Hot Wheels. Some of these are just cheapo Chinese ones. But interesting for $5. I see another baggie of miscellaneous for $3. Not sure. Power Ranger parts. Interesting. Huh. Not seeing too much else. We did get those board games and some DVDs. It's too bad we couldn't get that calculator. I don't know. Is that gonna be it? We're gonna take another look down the aisles back in there and hope that we find something, because we really need to. Alright guys, we are back at the house. I didn't really pick up much more stuff, but I want to show you guys what I did end up picking up. Let's take a look. Alright, the little overview. Nothing much, right? The puzzle, the board game. Puzzle about $20 in profit, board game about 10 to 15, and then everything I showed you earlier. Luckily, the Cosby Show and Burn Notice were worth a good amount of money, so you know that's about 30, 40-ish dollars after fees here. So we're at about 40, 50, 60, 70-ish, plus that 40 from earlier, so over $100 in profit. Not amazing, not bad. I'll definitely take $100. It was 2 thrift stores, 2 Goodwills. They were both pretty quick. I'm actually, this is a day later, or a couple days later, I am heading to another Goodwill right now, but that's gonna be for a future video. Hopefully we find more there. Stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.